Very good morning, winners. Today I am recording this video on the eve of Makar Sankranti. It's a very auspicious eve in India. That's why happy Makar Sankranti to all. Today's topic is communication skill and English speaking. Before dive into the topic, let me ask you friends, what is the first thing that comes into your mind when you hear the word communication skill? Let me guess for you. It must be speaking in English because we Indian has a belief that communication skill means you have to speak fluently in English. But that's not the case. क्योंकि दोस्तों कम्युनिकेशन स्किल कोई भी लैंग्वेज में हो सकता है। आप कोई भी लैंग्वेज में एक दूसरे के साथ कम्युनिकेट कर सकते हो। It can be English, it can be Hindi, it can be verbal communication, it can be written communication, it can be happen through body language, it can be happen through sign. थोड़ा सा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड लग रहा है, कोई बात नहीं, एक एग्जाम्पल के थ्रू हम लोग समझते हैं। Let's consider a person who is a dumb. Dumb means who cannot speak. So, आपको क्या लगता है कि वो बंदा या बंदी कम्युनिकेशन नहीं कर सकती? बिल्कुल कर सकती है। He or she can communicate with others with some kind of body language, with some kind of sign language, with some kind of body posture. तो एक बंदा या बंदी जो बात भी नहीं कर सकता, स्टिल वो कम्युनिकेट कर सकता है या कर सकती है। So you need to bust the myth that communication skill and speaking in English both are the same. No, both are the two different aspect, my dear friend. Though both can be learned, both can be developed. Communication skill can happen in Hindi, English, Marathi, Telugu, Tamil, Gujarati, Bengali, in any language. In any language you can think about. कम्युनिकेशन स्किल लैंग्वेज के बिना भी हो सकता है, जैसे कि मैंने एग्जाम्पल में बताया कि साइन लैंग्वेज के थ्रू भी आप कम्युनिकेशन कर सकते हो, बट इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग इज डिफरेंट थिंग। सो आपका ये चीज मुझे लगता है क्लियर हो गया होगा कि कम्युनिकेशन स्किल और इंग्लिश में बोलना दोनों अलग चीज है। नाउ आई एम कमिंग टूवर्ड्स द इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग। English language or English speakers valued most in the subcontinental areas because there's a reason behind it. The first reason is English is most common language in all over the world. The second thing is English has become the global business language. The third reason is we are living in the era of internet, and we can find that 50% of the content are made in English. So to cope up with the internet language, we need to learn English, we need to speak English. But there's a problem with Indians because India is a country of variety, and various type of people, various kinds of people live here. So that's why we have different languages rather than English. We have different regional languages like Hindi, Tamil, Telugu, Kannada, Malayalam, Bengali, etc. etc. So now the question is, how can we learn English? Because there is no scope to communicate with each other in English, because most of the time we are communicating with each other with our native language. No problem, my dear friends. I identified your issue. That was my issue too. So I will help you, I will guide you to overcome that problem. I will provide you step by step strategy to overcome this problem and to become a fluent speaker in English. For that, you have to subscribe my channel A Skill Life. Every week, at least one video will come on this channel to help you. Though I'm not a fluent speaker in English, still I'm learning how to speak. I'm practicing how to speak. So I'm going to give you the most practical solution, though because I'm in the process of learning, I'm in the process of evolving. I am in the same stage where you are right now. So please, my request to you, please subscribe this channel, like this video, and circulate this video, share this video with the friends who needs help to speak in English. Thank you, friends. Thanks a lot.